When I visited the MIT Museum in Cambridge, Massachusetts, there were many exhibitions, programs, collections, and even a museum store. The first interesting invention I ran into were the musical stairs that played different tunes as I walked up and down each step. Although I could have stayed on the stairs all day, I made my way to the Robots and Beyond exhibit. One collection of robots that caught my attention was the Socializing exhibit. Can robots and computers learn to interact and communicate intelligently in a social world? MIT researchers think so, but admit they have a long way to go. My favorite robot was Kismet. Kismet has 7 DC motors, 14 servo motors, 4 cameras, and 2 microphones, as well as jacks for audio, video, computers, and power. Kismet has a head and a neck and can have a face-to-face interaction with people, communicate with them, and learn from them. Kismet's main functions are its human-like facial expressions, body posture, gaze direction, and voice. Kismet cannot speak to a person, but it can understand a person's tone of voice. Kismet's vision system has 4 color CCD cameras placed on a stereoactive vision head. There are also 2 wide field of view cameras in the center that move with the head. There is a 0.5-inch CCD camera with an 8mm focal length lenses within the pupil of each eye. These cameras allow Kismet to decide what to observe and how far away certain things are to it. I tried to match my facial expression with Kismet's facial expression, but I'm not sure if it worked. Can you read Kismet's facial expressions? Try a few of these. You can think of Kismet as an infant or a child. The robot uses its head and neck to make animated faces to communicate its wants and needs in a human-like way. People can understand these facial expressions because they are so similar to facial expressions we make every day. People can respond to Kismet because of this, just like a parent would respond to his or her child. Kismet has a 15 DOF face that displays the facial expressions. It can fold its ears back if it is sad or angry, or perk its ears up if it is interested or surprised. The eyebrows can lower or go up or slant depending on its expression. Kismet's eyes can open and close independently, and there are 4 lip actuators that control Kismet's mouth for a smile or for a frown.